Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping, jittering and stuttering in Marvel Rivals. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to press on search, and then you just need to create a restore point, press create and name it for example Marvel Rivals, and press create. So this one, if something went bad and you want to go back before you change some settings, you can always restore your system by just doing system restore. Choose a different restore point, press next, and then select Marvel Rivals and complete the step. Right? So this is the first step. Second step, you just need to go to view network connections, and on view network connections, you need to disable everything here except your internet connection. Of course, if you use Bluetooth, just leave it as this and just disable others just by right-clicking and press disable. Then what you need to do here is to look for your internet connection, right-click, go to properties, then here make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version IPv4 only options that is enabled here, and disable everything just by unchecking them, right? Then press on configure, press yes. Of course, before that, just save the changes. Go to power management, and then here make sure allow this device to wake the computer, only enabled, and then go to advanced, and then you need to copy my settings. So advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled, then EEE max support speed, leave it as this, energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabyte light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4 checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Then network address, not present, NS offload, disabled, power saving mode should be disabled, then priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled, receive buffers, leave it as this, shutdown, wake on LAN, disabled, speed and duplex, make sure it's highest available, TCP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled, transmit buffers, leave it as it is, UDP checksum offload IPv4 and UDP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled, VLAN ID, leave it as this, wake on magic packet, wake on pattern match, disabled, WOL shutdown link speed should be, just leave it as this and apply the changes. Then you need to again right click on your internet, go to properties, then look for Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to apply some DNS addresses. So basically there is two main DNS server addresses, Cloudflare, which is I'm using now, and Google ones. So you need to test it out for yourself, which one is working better. And to test it, you just need to open up CMD, run as admin, and here you need to just, first I will put Google ones. So you just need to write ping 8.8.8.8 and look what results you're getting. In my case, as you can see here, on average, I'm getting 7 ms with 0% loss. If I put secondary Google DNS server, which is ping 8.8.4.4, as you can see, I'm getting 8 ms. And if I put Cloudflare's to the DNS addresses, ping 1.1.1.1, I'm getting 3 ms, and here ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting, as you can see here, 4 ms. So for me, Cloudflare is better, so I'm using it, right? So use what is better for you, use the ones that you're getting better results, apply the changes, restart your computer, and look if the problem persists or not. Still, if the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. I always use this before I got a Ethernet connection. I believe it has 3 days free trial if you sign up through me in the link in the description below. Of course, if you buy something later, I will get small commission for that. But nevertheless, with the free trial, just test it out. To set up everything here, you just need to here look for Marvel Rivals, select it, then choose a region or server, then select your nearest region. In my case, is Europe, and then you just need to apply routes, launch the game, and look if you're getting better results or not. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.